YouTube, cool man, YouTube. Hear me and say now, try start trucking and go on easy. And for now, we're just there and we're going to unbox some things and talk about some things we're going to buy as new gadget. We continue with my new project. You know what I mean? So here's the things that on YouTube. Not joke thing. You know, other than gadget, yeah, I pronounce it properly. Gadget here is basically for help. You know, help my production to be better, you know what I mean? So that I can serve you guys properly with excellent video, excellent audio, and you know, say 1 and 2 little things that unite me differently than those videos, you know. But anyway, well, let's get into it. But chat too much. Anyway, right after this message.
For more videos like this, please subscribe.
No. No wonder up you like. Oh, you guessed it right. Anyway, this is my you know, I'm not talking about that right now. I'm talking about the S8 and that. I'm talking about I like it. Oh, anyway, you know, this is the everybody don't unbox them something already, but me just want to do it too. That me I talk about. Me want to talk about my phone. Anyway, as you open the box. As you open the box. Don't think about it. No, seriously no. No, you tell me. You guys, you need to have an S8, okay? If you're a YouTube. Anyway, if you're a YouTuber, you should get one of these. Reason being, it can shoot 4K videos. And you know it's the TriStars, you know, the trucking world. And anyway, in the box it comes with the phone on top, as you can see. Like me never pull the box already. Anyway, and then after that, I don't know what that is. This is the manuals inside this thing here. We have to move fast because I have a lot of things to pull and show you guys today. And then inside the box there is the charger, a USB port. Basically, you put it in the phone and you put the USB and you can transfer your file over to your computer, laptop, or your other phone with this thing. And this is a charger adapter, which basically, because this S8 comes with a different charging port, but you can use your old charger from your 6H or whatnot and put it inside here and put this inside and whatever connections, you know. Then it comes with headphones, earphones, come with earphones and charger, and that's about it inside the box. We're done with this one. Okay, on to the phone case. Phone case. It is a Bison, Blossom, why them ready. But anyway, this is the new phone case for the S8 that I purchased. I don't need that anymore. This is basically telling you how to use it if you don't know how to put the phone case on. Okay. So this is it. I guess this is to protect your phone from getting any scratch, and back and front. And this is for the S8. I don't know. That's sweet. Anyway, let's continue. We don't need that anymore. Moving up is for my audio. So you know you're gonna get better audio than what you're getting now with the Zoom H1, right? The Zoom H1 is the #1 talk about from YouTubers. I've been watching you guys. Oh my god! But anyway, the Zoom H1 is basically an audio recorder where you can also use it as a mic, like a puppet mic. You know, hello, what's up? You know, and basically it was recommended by the other YouTubers that it's very, very, very good. And so I went ahead and purchased one, which I'm gonna use it from now on, so you guys get used to it. Anyway, let's get inside the box. Let's see what it's come with. Okay. So after pulling the box, just pull it back. Okay. Okay. The Zoom H1, the Zoom H1 everyone, the Zoom H1. Okay, so inside the box, you got a micro SD card. Okay, 2 gigabyte micro SD card, and what is this? What is this? Manuals, just some manuals, some user manuals, how to use micro SD card. They get one big, one small. Well, adapter and anyway, manual. And this is the new Zoom H1, ladies and gentlemen. Out of it look nice. It look. Anyway. Anyway, the Zoom H1 everyone, the Zoom H1, the Zoom H1, you know, this is the record of what everyone is saying. Is you can enter microphone line into this, so you can put a microphone in and hello, and you can hear from the other side. So it's in and out, and this is a recorder. So in other words, you could put this one into your DLSR. Okay, I can't pronounce that word too fast, my tongue. Okay, so on the bottom you got the screw. You can screw it on a tripod or something, and it comes with a AA battery also. So how do you get to this battery? Okay, so it comes with a AA battery, well, in the pack, along with a SD card, and that's about it. You will see this thing down in the description box, okay, where you can go and purchase if you need one of these for better audio or whatnot. Okay, let's move on. Let's move on. Okay, well, in this box, well, it's empty now. Reason being, I'm using it right now with my phone, and this is actually a tripod for my phone, which is to be honest, it's really strong. It's strong. The quality build is strong and it's reasonable. To be honest, it's not expensive, and also you can use like a you know, one of those selfie stick. You can put the selfie stick onto the feet, like, because this tripod here for the phone is very small and neat, unique and strong, right? So you can put the selfie stick onto it and then screw the top off, which will be the head, which lock the phone down and put it on top of the selfie stick, and then you can have this long one, because that's what I'm doing right now, because it's running from the ground, come right up in front of me. So this is a very good choice for who using their phones to do most of the work without taking out the camera. Okay, I don't need to get into that. Now this is my lavalier mic, okay? BOYA lavalier microphone. Okay. This is the BOYA lavalier microphone that came into this box. I took it out earlier to do my live video. So this worked pretty well, okay? And this is battery. And this battery, there's a small battery into this thing here. And you can use this microphone into your camera or your smartphone. There's a switch on it. You can see there's a switch on it that you can, when you're using your phone, you can. And when you use the camera, you can put it in. And the cord is pretty much long. Anyway, the cord is pretty much long, so you can plug it into your camera and you can sit back, plug it onto your chest and be like, ladies and gentlemen, out of many one people. Anyway, you can check it out. Lavalier mic. Can work. work pretty well with it with the Zoom H1 also as a lavalier mic. So you can like slip this inside your pocket, and then you can plug the mic into it. Put it onto you, put this into your pocket for the recorder, and you can go miles away from your camera and still be, you know, you just have to, when you finish, you put all of these in post-production and it will be great. Okay, that's it. Okay, on to the next one. While I was shopping for my camera gears, I went ahead and I picked up this. And what is this? This is a Bluetooth Stream Mini Bluetooth 4.0 music receiver. So basically, if your car don't have a USB port, or if you definitely got the music on your phone, you can plug this into your what do you call it? You can plug this into your port. What's that port called? Anyway, this is it, and you can plug and receive your Bluetooth from the Bluetooth receiver into your car. Yeah, so this is it, ladies and gentlemen. This is another gadget that I bought just for myself, just for my car, just for music, along with the other stuff. So I'm gonna put a link to it, and it's very cheap, very handy. Okay, and this now is the Zoom H1 case. Very sturdy, strong. Just to put your recorder in so that you don't break it. So this, okay, it comes with a small strap. So this is Zoom H1 case where you can put the Zoom H1 in just to keep it safe, right? Okay. And on to the next one. Now this is it said Mic Nova. Yeah, that's what it said. And basically you can put your mic and also a light on it, or if you can put your yeah, that's about it, because right now I got my phone on it, because I'm using it along with the monopod that I just show you guys, and I'm using this on it right now. So this is another good gadget that will work well on top of your camera or on top of anything, really. Okay, on to the next. Now this is another gadget that I bought for my phone, a lens for my phone to get wide angle views, okay? Wide angle views for my phone. So this is basically how it works is, well, how it works, you pull the back off, then you screw the clip on, then you lift, then you clip this on to your phone. Hold on, let me use my S8. So what you do, you clip this onto your phone, and then you will have a wider shot, you know. So this is it. Check it out. It's called where is it? Where's the cover? I'm gonna put link to all these things that I'm showing in the description box, so you guys could go and check it out. Okay. I just went out and do some shopping for a better view on my channel, so I went shopping. Okay, so I'm just showing off. That's it. Okay, all right, we're getting. No, you know what? I'm gonna talk about this last. I'm not gonna talk about this right now. This is gonna talk about last. Okay, about this U-green connector. Basically, what this does is what this U-green thing does. This is basically I don't know what this is called again, but anyway, how this work? If you got a lavalier mic and you're gonna interview two persons, right? And no, not lavalier, the H1, and you got two lavalier mic, right? So you can line in with the microphone with just this one, and you can put two lavalier mic in this part. So you got two persons can talk at the same time if you guys are sitting around a table or whatnot with the same, you know, with separate lavalier mic and record into this thing. Work pretty handy, so you guys can go and get one of these and work the magic. So this is what's going on. Okay. All right, we're almost done. We're almost done here. Oh, and this Bluetooth button remote come along with the also come in the package of this monopod thing for your phone. So this Bluetooth come to take selfie picture, connect this to your phone pretty easy, and then you press for pictures or video, and that's it. Come with card and everything. This now is a 4K receiver for your TV from your phone. So this is a 4K receiver for that plug into your phone and connect, and you can run your HDMI to this box, this to your phone, and you watch straight from your phone to your TV with 4K, you know. So you gotta be creative, and these things are pretty cheap. Okay, the next thing I'm gonna look at now is what I really wanted over the years. Okay, this is an action camera. It's the CAMPARK action camera. This one basically shoots 4K also. And the reason why I went ahead and get this one is because I wanted a camera to strap to my body, like my forehead, you know, my forehead or my chest, or anywhere, just to when I'm outside doing activities. I don't need to have anything hold it on. I'm just doing my work, but I got a camera to show what's going on. And this is all about my channel. So yeah, and it's also waterproof. So let's get inside it to see what it comes with. Really, it's a whole bunch of stuff. A lot of stuff going on here. Okay, so well, inside the box, here comes a hard case. So well, that's it inside the box, and here comes the hard case. And this hard case is very hard because it's tough. To be honest, it's tough. Okay. Now, first thing you can see right up in front of you. Look, you can see, as you can see from all angles. This. Okay. This is the action camera with it come in the package in the waterproof case, so you can go swimming with this thing here. And you know, as like I said, I can go on my chest with the things that I bought, so I can move around and you guys still can see everything that's going on. So it's a pretty handy. Well, what I need, well, this is for the helmet. Come with the helmet stopper. Come with for the bicycle if you're going sport riding. And what is this? These are just some other fittings stuff. And yeah, that's it. So, and this is a strap. Come with a couple of straps, I guess. And straps and what is it? Oh, these are like tie straps. And okay, it also comes with a USB. Also comes with a USB to transfer files. So yeah, basically in the box here comes a lot of stuff. Okay, that's what's going on inside the action camera box. And this I bought are some spare batteries for the action camera. So basically this package here come with some, it's pretty cheap and reasonable. And these are 3 batteries for the action camera and this is the charger outlet to charge these batteries. And so you would never run out of battery with those, because you know those batteries are weak in the action cameras, right? So these are spare batteries for action camera. Okay. This one is for last. This box. And what's in this box is my wireless. Okay, nothing more into that. This is my wireless charger for my S8. Any phone right now. So no, I don't need to get up and plug in anything. You know, I just leave this thing plugged in and then I just put it on top. Let me get this. Okay. So this is my in the wireless charger. This comes right here. So you got the plug socket, and here comes the charger and the manual how to use it, and this is the USB port for charging, and that's about it. I don't think anything else. Well, I think that's it. So this is my fast charge wireless charger. So basically you plug the USB port B into this, put it down, and then you put, and that's it. Phone charging, you know. So that's it. Okay, now I'm going into this box. Basically is the kit for the action camera. So this come with the what is it called again? This one you can stock it to any glass, so you can stock the camera like on the outside, and you can drive and it won't fall off or whatever. So it's very good for what I want it for. And this is a clip-on, so I could put the camera on this clip-on, and then I could clip this, like clip it to a strap if I got a strap on my shoulder, or anything. I could have clicked this onto it with the camera, you know. This is my chest strap for the camera, so you could, well, not the strap. This is for my head. Yeah. So I'll be walking in the streets like this. Where's the camera? So the camera is gonna be on this, and I'm gonna be like, hey, dude, you know. So this is me, like, you know, looking all over. So you guys have seen everything what's going on. I'm right here. I'm right here. Oh, this is tight. Shit. Oh God, Jesus. I guess it can adjust. Oh my God. Damn. I'm all in, guys. I'm gonna be a YouTuber soon. Oh, this is the oh my God. This is the chest strap. This is the strap for the chest. You know? So I put it on, you know, from the back, and then this will be on the front, right? And the camera will be right on here. If you guys can see, the camera will be right on the front part of this thing, and I put it on like a body strap thing, you know? So it'll be on my chest, I'll be like, you know what I mean? I'll be like, oh yeah, you know? Okay, that's it. There's a lot more stuff in it, but I mean, I'm not really interested in all these other stuff. I'm just interested in those two really, but I'll leave this kit in the description box also. You guys will, if you guys need it, you can go and check it out. Okay, now this camera lens for my Canon camera, this 17x50 Sigma. I wanted this camera so bad. So bad. I wanted this lens, I should say. You know what I mean? I was saving like over 2 years to get this lens. So I got it on Black Friday. You know, I waited on Black Friday to get this lens. So I waited. You know what I mean? So, without further ado, out of Kingston, Jamaica. Okay. This is the one and only Sigma. Let me see if anything is in the box. Oh, okay. It come with okay, a lens protector, a lens cover, or whatnot. Yeah. So this is my Sigma 17 by 50 lens. You know? So actually this is gonna be my go-to lens for now. You know, this is gonna be, it have like the can lock your zoom, you know, you have image stabilizer, you got manual and autofocus, and you got OS on, I don't know what the OS for. So basically this is a 2.8. Let me put the manual first. Let me turn. Yeah, So it's gonna be this is gonna be my go-to. This is gonna be one of my lenses that I use regular now on my Canon 70D. So this will be my go-to lens. Okay? So ladies and gentlemen, this is what I was waiting for so long. Been so long that See the people, see the peeps, see the peeps. Anyway, alright. Enough of the Sigma lens for now. Let's focus on what I'm gonna look at next. So, without any further ado, let me clear the table. The moment everyone been waiting for is right here, gonna reveal in front of your eyes. The original color. The original light. The original light. The original light bulb. Yeah, bulb, like toilet bowl. Yes, toilet bowl. Toilet bowl. Bowl. Yeah, seriously. But no, honestly. The toilet bowl. No, seriously. No, to be honest, no. I know you guys people wondering why you save this for the last. Look at it. No, honestly, no. I don't know what to say about it, but you guys need to get this toilet bowl light. Oh my God, can you imagine? Okay, put fun and joke aside, I'm serious. This light, honestly, if you guys have kids and the kids cannot reach the light, but you want to go, and because you watch Freddy, that scary movie, you don't want to go in the bathroom because there's no light. This is so attractive, you will go and use that bathroom, to be honest. This light actually have a sensor on it. So what it does is this sensor basically picked up anyone or anything that is coming in the bathroom with no light. If you turn the light on, it will go off. But once the light is off and you walk in, once it's dark, it's gonna, this is the light. So basically you go on the edge. I'm gonna show you a video. You go on the edge of the toilet bowl, and then you can let down that middle, seat, and this stayed on the outside, and the light go inside the bowl. And trust me, it is very, 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 very beautiful. You guys should check it out. The club isn't the best place to find a lover, so the bar is where I go. Me and my friends at the table doing shots, drinking faster than we talk slow. Come on over and start up a conversation with just me, and trust me, I'll give it a chance. Now take my hand, stop, put the man on the jukebox, and then we start to dance. And I'm singing like, girl, you know I want your love. Your love was handmade for somebody like me. Come on now, follow my lead. I may be crazy, don't mind me. Boy, let's not talk too much. Grab on my waist and put that body on me. Come on now, follow my lead. Come on now, follow my lead. I'm in love with the shape of you. But anyway, this is how I'm gonna wrap it up. It was a long video, and thanks for tuning in. This is TriStars, and like I said, this is not a tech review video. This is a trucking video, but I just want to show my stuff that I buy for my channel. And thanks for tuning in, and peace, TriStars, and have a blessed day. Thank you.
For more videos like this, please subscribe.